The capture of Venezuelan President Nicolas Maduro by US forces has left a power gap in the country. Following this development, opposition leader Maria Corina Machado has announced plans to return to Venezuela as soon as possible. Speaking from an undisclosed location, she criticized the interim president Delcy Rodriguez, calling her a key figure in corruption, persecution, and other abuses. Machado emphasized that the Venezuelan people reject Rodriguez and that voters are on the side of the opposition. But before we move ahead, let us find out who is Maria Corina Machado. Maria Corina Machado, 58 years old, is a Venezuelan opposition leader and head of the political party Vente Venezuela. Trained as an industrial engineer, she began her political career co-founding Sumate, a civic organization promoting fair elections and democracy. She served in the National Assembly and has long been recognized for her work defending democratic rights. Machado also ran the Etinia Foundation, helping orphan children in Caracas. Over the years, she has faced political bans and restrictions. In 2023, she won the opposition primary elections, but a Venezuelan court barred her from holding public office, a move the European Parliament called arbitrary and politically fabricated. Machado has been living in exile due to threats to her safety since the last disputed elections. Now, after Maduro's capture, Machado has vowed to return to Venezuela to lead democratic reforms. She aims to dismantle corrupt structures, rebuild the country, and repatriate millions of Venezuelans forced to flee abroad. Her statements indicate she is positioning herself as a potential figure to guide the country through its current political crisis. However, Trump doesn't seem to be backing her in this endeavor. In 2025, Machado became a Nobel Peace Prize laureate for her efforts to promote democracy and peaceful transitions in Venezuela. Her acceptance of the prize reportedly strained her relationship with US President Donald Trump. Despite previously supporting his policies toward Venezuela, Trump said Machado lacked the respect and support in the country to lead, effectively ruling her out for leadership after Maduro's capture. Sources further close to Trump indicated her Nobel win was a key reason for his stance. Therefore, while Machado's return could reshape Venezuela's political future, her path to leadership remains uncertain without broad domestic support and backing from key international players. What are your thoughts? Do comment and let us know. And stay tuned for more updates on the same.